In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. My name is Malik Iftikhar Ahmed, 18 Array 2024. I presenting a video on review of degumming. What is degumming? Degumming is a process for removal of phosphatide from crude soybean and other vegetable oil to improve physical stability and facilitate further processing. The phosphatides are also called gums and lecithins. Lecithin is the common name for phosphatidylosine, but common use refer to all of the phosphatide present in vegetable oil. Soybean oil is the major source of commercial lecithin because it contains the highest level of gums and it is world's leading vegetable oil. It is preferable to degum soybean oil before caustic refining and mandatory with physical refining due to the high level of impurities including phosphatides, proteinaceous and miscellaneous material. Dif- there is the different chemical compounds chain. Dry degumming. When phosphatide content is low, as in the case for palm oil, palm kernel, coconut, and tallow, dry degumming is the common way. Typical composition of the main components of Malaysian crude palm oil. Note the phosphorus content in the oil. The phosphorus content of crude palm oil is quite variable both in amount and in properties. Varies normally in the range of 10 to 20 ppm. Phosphatide value exceeding 30 ppm have been observed for crude palm oil of high acidity. The dry degumming process uses standard bleaching equipments. Acid, usually 85% phosphoric, is dispersed in 80 to 100 Celsius oil at 0.05 to 1.2% of the oil. Excessive amount of phosphoric acid must be avoided as it may promote the splitting of some triglyceride and as reaction with the oil known as phosphorylations which resulting in darkening of the oil during steam refining deodorization. This hazard is avoided by using instead a 0.05% W by W dose of citric acid as a 50% solution in water. This, although usually rather more expensive than phosphoric acid, work very satisfactory. Here is the flowchart presentation how crude oil convert by passing through different steps in RBD oil. Acid degumming. The acid degumming process is a variant of the water degumming process in that it uses a combination of acid and water. Acid degumming leads to a lower residual phosphorus content than water degumming. The non-hydratable gums can be conditioned into hydratable forms with the degumming acid. Phosphoric and citric acid are used because they are food grade and sufficiently strong, and they chelate divalent metal ions. Citric acid is usually preferable because it does not increase the phosphoric content of the oil. Dispersion of the acids is critical for maximal content with the non-hydratable phosphatide complexes. The gums isolated with acid degumming are not suitable for standard lecithin because the phosphatide have a higher phosphatidic acid and the degumming acid is present. Several acid degumming processes can be developed to attain a phosphorus value lower than 5 ppm that is required for good quality physically refined oil. Modified acid degumming. Modified acid degumming is a physical refining pretreatment that incorporate the benefits of caustic soda neutralization. This physical refining preparatory process treats that oil with the degumming acid and then partially neutralize it with NaOH in solution. The amount of NaOH used is limited to prevent soap formation. The metal phospholipids complexes are dissociated by the acid into insoluble metal salts and phospholipids in their acid form, which are still soluble in oil. The NaOH addition raises the pH and convert the phospholipids into sodium salt that are hydratable. The hydrated salts can be centrifuged for separation or dried to form agglomerates for adsorption in silica for removal with filtration. Steps in acid gumming. Heat oil to 60 to 70 centigrade degrees grade. Acid addition and mixing. Hydration mixing for 30 minutes. Centrifugal separation of hydrated gums. Vacuum drying of degummed oil. Gums recombined in meal. These are all the steps in acid degumming, and you can see the pictorial presentation of steps in acid degumming in that slide. There's all about my presentation. Thank you so much.